Today I'm going to read you our first activity list. It's called Everything is Awesome 1, and it is due this Friday, August 17th. Under the first activity, it says structures required for 20 minutes, and it's a practice activity. It says write 2 to 3 sentences in your planner about one of the books you have read today. You will be doing this independently, which means by yourself, and then you're going to color in the smiley face if you thought it was easy, okay, or hard. The next activity under Canvas is required for 10 minutes and is practice. This says, create a video of the resource area. Explain how to use the resource area. Submit it to your Canvas account. Use your materials and technology appropriately. This can be done independently, which means by yourself, or with a pair. And don't forget to write your buddy's name on the line if you choose a pair. Reflect when you're done by coloring the happy face if it was easy, the middle face if it was okay, and the sad face if it was hard. On the next activity, it says required for 10 minutes practice. Take a picture of the help board. Submit it to your Canvas account. This is done independent, which means by yourself, and reflect when you're done. Easy, okay, or hard. On the next activity, it says required for 10 minutes, a learning activity. Watch choosing a book on BrainPop Junior Practice. Practice being a good listener as you watch and learn. In order to get to here, you need to go to BrainPop, Reading and Writing, Reading Skills, and Choosing a Book. Look for this icon, Choosing a Book. Then take a picture of 3 good fit books you added to your book bin and post it on Canvas. This can be done independent, which means by yourself, or with a pair, which means with a buddy, and you would write their name on the line. Reflect when you're done, easy, okay, or hard. An optional activity means that you should not do it until you're done with everything else. So this optional activity is 10 minutes and says, take another photo or video of another structure in your classroom. This would be independent, which means by yourself, and reflect when you're done. In the blueprint section, the first activity required for 20 minutes is a practice says, find a quiet spot to read to self. Practice staying on task as you read. This is done independent, which means by yourself, and you can reflect when you're done. The next activity is a choice. Remember, a choice means that you're choosing one or the other. This is 20 minutes and it's part of your product. It says read and complete the How Do You Like to Learn page from your blueprint, or scan the QR code and listen and complete How Do You Like to Learn page on your blueprint. So you can read it or scan it is your choice, and then you're filling out the page. In your blueprint, How Do I Like to Learn? Independent, which means by yourself, and reflect when you're done. The last activity is required for 20 minutes, and it's our product. It says complete the 3 Ways I Learn Best paper for your blueprint. This is done independent, which means by yourself, and reflect when you're done. This is your activity list for Everything is Awesome 1. Good luck!